Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Choppers and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. Let's dive into this week's Harry's Liquor lesson.
Lagers and Pilsners can be a bit of a confusing conversation. In simple terms, Pilsners are a type of lager with some minor differences. Lagers are one of the most popular beers in the world. Utilizing the use of bottom fermenting yeasts, they tend to have a cleaner, crisper flavor. Within the lager family, there exists two main types, amber lager and American lager. The amber variety offers a roasted malty sweetness with a well-balanced dry bitterness. Pair this lager with tomato sauce-based dishes and foods that contain basil and oregano. The American lager has a nice balance of hops and malt with a crisp, dry finish. Try it out with Thai, Pan-Asian, or Mexican cuisine. Let's move on to Pilsners. As we said before, Pilsners are a type of lager. Originating in the Czech Republic, this beer is light in color and offers a spicy, floral, and strong hop flavor. Some of the world's most popular beers are Pilsners, with Budweiser, PBR, and Coors in its repertoire. Try out this beer with any high-fat, oily fish and marbled meat.
Follow Harry's Liquor Facebook page for all things recipes, lessons, and more.